Qualifications. Your qualification are your results from all your academic endeavors and will be included on your CVs. When you set about going for your dream job, contains jobs will require specific qualification or evidence of specific training. For instance, no one is going to let you near a crane until you have been trained to use it. Qualified accountant must show evidence of continual learning, often termed continuing professional development. And if you would like the career as a teacher, you will need of train toward teacher training college or by transferring your degree into a teaching qualification by studying the 1 year PGCE qualification, postgraduate certificate of education. The good news is that once you have passed this qualification, they have sit safe and sound on your CVs for the rest of your careers. As well as academic qualification, professional certificate demonstrate your ability to practice your profession at a certain level. For example, there are number of professional bodies of accountant in the UK, including characters accountant ACA or FCA and chartered certified accountant ACCA or FCCA, who will grade you your competence and seniority equally. There are bodies for everything from medicine to electric engineering. Each time you get a new professional qualification, you will be able to put letters after your name. Throughout the course of your career, you will find you accumulates more letters than the post office could cope with. BA, MA, PhD, TWIT. Even thought your business card will need to be a foot long. Your career path in both the private and public sector will depend on collecting these letters like swimming badge. Earning money, earning money, annual earning. Your earning income, remuneration, draws, or whatever you call it. Basically, this is the bottom line, what you are going to get paid for climbing into your suite 5 day a week and going to work for the man. Climbing up from that point, the sky is literally the limit. In the city of London, top businessmen can make a million a year in bounces alone. In the middle is the average earning, dependent on what sector you are in, the private sector, on the public sector, the manufacturing sector or financial sector, etc. In other words, you won't be paid the same as a bus driver as you will for running the Bank of England.